Hello again, another video of my OBS truck build. It started off as a video just with converting a long bed into a short bed and lowering and stuff like that. I thought I'd just keep making videos as it goes. Something I did want to do, if you follow back to part 1 of this series, this truck is a very low option. Something I did want to do is put power doors and locks in it. For those of you that don't know, these trucks came in many different options, and they made a lot of them, a lot of these trucks. They're, in my opinion, good trucks. Some of them still on the road. They're getting to the age now where guys are parting them out, they're sitting in backyards, stuff like that. I did want these specific door panels. I think they're Silverado, if I'm not mistaken, has the cloth tops and carpet bottoms, different pockets, and they were full power. These cleaned up beautifully. There was a little bit of work to do. Usually these break, the arm pads where you pull on them. As these were, there's repairs you can make. It's not that difficult. But just a little how-to. These whole door, this is both doors. This whole piece comes out. Now getting these rods out of the latch assemblies can be a little bit tricky. Take your time. The window has to be in specific spots for different operations and stuff like that. If you haven't done it, just take your time. It's not that difficult. And then you end up with these whole assemblies that you can swap out into the other truck, your truck. So with this one, I still have a old Haynes manual, and it has the wiring schematics with all the color codes. So some of the wiring, this would be driver's side, passenger side. It tells you exactly what needs to be powered and which need to be linked together, because you have the option on the driver's side to unlock the, it would unlock automatically, but to roll down the passenger window. We just go through. So some of these that are just tied together now, I'm just starting to go through the labeling and figure out which wires we'll need to run across underneath the dash. Where to pick up power, or where power needs to go here, I'll need to pick up a spot out of the fuse panel. It's a 30 amp circuit. It's fairly heavy load circuit. It's not that difficult. The holes are already in the door for the accordion rubber pieces, so the wires aren't exposed in your door jamb. You fish them through into the kick plate and wire them up. Luckily, the seller understood the assignment of what I was doing, because I do plan on converting this truck to I'll be doing some interior upgrades, dash and motor and stuff like that. I probably will get a complete donor truck with change the whole dash wiring harness, stuff like that. So I will eventually have the proper wiring in the dash, but for now I'm just going to hardwire it. Eventually that'll go, and then I'll plug into a factory harness. But for this this season, this is going to work fine. I think it's 5 wires so far I've picked out that I need to run across to connect the 2 doors, basically. Other than that, put it back together, and you got power door options. But it's fairly straightforward. But I think the most difficult part of the job is getting the window out of the track and undoing these. They're definitely difficult to see. They're not that hard once you understand what's going on there. Basically, this little clip needs to lift up. That slides forward, and it gives you room to pull the, there you can see it on the back there. This will pull this way, and then the rod will come out. But some of these are difficult to see, but it's doable. You can do it too. You can upgrade your truck, power windows and locks. For grand total, I might have $250 into this Canadian. It's not that expensive, but it's out there, guys, if you want to do it. All right, till next time.